Open tayo squishy dumplings. Ano, tara. Saan natin gawan? Anto. Uy! Yellow dumpling. Sobrang ganda siya. Next naman, itong medium. Ito. Oh! Glitter! Glitter! It's glitter. Nice one. Next. Okay. This is the one most. Everyone, you just watch this. I think gonna get the glitter. I know. I think gonna get color blue. One, two. Blue na, blue. So cute. Meow. Balik na natin to. Parang siya nagtatago. Bye-bye.